Hi, welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can do sort, filter, and conditional formatting in MS Excel. I'm going to use a sample of customer data as shown. As you can see here, we have some data on Excel sheet, and this is about customers. I can go ahead and do a bit of formatting, make this bold, maybe make it red. I can select the cells with data and put borders, all borders like that. I can go ahead and decorate these titles to be bold and give them a bit of background color, like that. So, given data like this, there are different ways you can select specific values from it. For example, you can decide, I want to show only the male customers and I don't want to show the female customers. In that case, you can use the filter tool. Sometimes you may want to arrange them in a particular order, maybe arrange these names alphabetically A to Z, or arrange the ages from largest to smallest. In that case, we will be using the sorting tool. Sometimes you may want to highlight specific values. For example, if you want age, the customers with the age between 20 and 30 to be highlighted, you can use what we call conditional formatting. So let us start with sorting. So let us now see how this sorting can be done. Now, for example, you wanted to arrange this information alphabetically according to the names from A to Z. You will go to the column where the information is, then right click, then go to sort, then you will see A to Z. Now you can see the information is arranged alphabetically from A to Z. You can see even the position of the customer number has changed. I will go ahead and undo. Okay. Now let's say, for example, you want to arrange this information according to age from largest to smallest age. Then you will click in the column where the data is, which you want to sort with, then right click, then go to sort largest to smallest. Then now you can see the oldest person is on top and the person with the smallest age is at the bottom. Now let us look at filtering. So to filter is to hide what you don't want. For example, I want to show only female and I don't want to show male. So if you want to show only female, you will do what we call filter operation. You will just click anywhere, any cell with the data in it, then you will come to this handle here, sort and filter handle or icon, and choose filter. Then these filter handles will appear on each column title. So you will go ahead and choose which column title do you want to use for filtering. I want to show only female, for example, and not male. So I will click this filter handle, then remove F. If you want only male, you remove F and click OK. You can see only male is shown. I can undo that. Assuming now I want to show only female, I will go to this filter handle and switch off male and click OK. Only female are shown. Let me undo that. And if you want to remove the filtering, you still go back to this icon and switch off the filter by clicking this icon and it goes. That is how simple it is to filter. Now let us look at conditional formatting. So in conditional formatting, we just highlight cells with certain values. For example, I wanted to highlight ages between 20 and 30. So the first thing is to give it a range of values. Then you will come to this icon here, conditional formatting, and choose a rule. Okay, for example, this highlight cells rule. So I will come here and say highlight cells between, okay, age of 20 and age of 30. Then here we have colors you can choose, red, yellow. Maybe I want yellow, I will just click like that. So when I click OK, you see the ages between 20 and 30 are highlighted. And anything which is not between 20 and 30 is not highlighted. So let me undo. For example, I want to highlight ages between 30 and 40. So I will come here and say between, I will write here 30 and 40. And I want the red highlight, so I will just click OK. So you find only one person is between the age of 30 and 40. That is what we call conditional formatting. You can even say, let me undo this, you want to ages above 20. So you will select all the values, come to highlight cells rules, and you want ages above or greater than 20. You will click greater than and type 20 and click OK. So all these are people whose age are above 20. You can undo. If you want people whose age is 30 and above, meaning 30 is included, so you select all the values, come to conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, you start with equal to, I will put here 30. Then again, greater than 30. So I will come again and say greater than, I will write here 30. So when I click OK, so any age 30 and above is highlighted. If you want to remove the conditional formatting rule, you can as well come to conditional formatting, clear rules from entire sheet. When you click this one, all the rules are removed. That is how simple it is to do sorting, filtering, and apply conditional formatting to your data in MS Excel. Go ahead and try this. Thank you for participating by watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.